How to simply cancel your Amazon Prime membership from your Amazon account available on the Amazon app here on your device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again, and let's start this video without any further delay and without any confusion. You can do this thing from both website or from the app also. I prefer you to go through the application here because it's quite easy for you to do. So, if you want to cancel your membership, if you have taken it recently, then you can avail your full refund to your Shores Bank account. For this, let me just click on my Google account here and search for Cancel Amazon Prime. Then you will see a first website calling End Your Amazon Prime Membership. You have to click on it. It will redirect you to the application on my phone here, that is amazon.in, and here is an option to end your membership with Amazon Prime. You have to click on the first link that is given here, and it will redirect you to the subscription page here. As you can see, I'm not longer a Prime member, but if you are a Prime member, then you will see an option here, right here. You can cancel it. You will be seeing a red option to cancel your account and get your full refund to your Shores account. This is how you can simply delete it. Thank you so much for watching it.